Hi there, welcome back to another video. Changes in the color of your teeth may be subtle and happen gradually. Some yellow color may be inevitable. Teeth can look more yellow or darken especially as you age. As the outer enamel wears away, the yellowy dentin underneath becomes more visible. Dentin is the second layer of calcified tissue beneath the outside enamel layer. If you're looking to whiten your teeth, in this video I will share 5 easy ways to naturally whiten your teeth at home. 1. Coconut oil pulling. Oil pulling with coconut oil offers multiple benefits for oral health. It can help reduce plaque formation and plaque-induced gingivitis. Hence, it may also help assist in whitening your teeth. You will need 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. Swish a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil in your mouth for 3 to 5 minutes. After this you can go about with your usual oral regimen of brushing and flossing. You may do this once daily, preferably in the morning, before brushing your teeth. 2. Brushing with baking soda. Toothbrushing with a baking soda-based dentifrice was observed to help with stain removal and teeth whitening in a study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, water and a toothbrush. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to make a thick paste. Take some of this mixture on your toothbrush. Brush your teeth using the mixture for a couple of minutes. And then rinse your mouth with water. You may do this 1 to 2 times daily. 3. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is negatively charged. It binds to the positively charged plaque on the tooth surface and is absorbed by it, thereby whitening your teeth. You will need a toothbrush, powdered activated charcoal and water. Dip a wet toothbrush in powdered activated charcoal. Brush your teeth with it for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth with water. You may do this once daily for best results. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar exhibits bleaching properties that can help in whitening your teeth and removing stains. You will need 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1 cup of water. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a cup of water. Mix well and use the solution as a mouth rinse. Rinse your mouth using the apple cider vinegar solution for 30 to 60 seconds. Follow up by rinsing your mouth with plain water. You may do this once daily, before or after brushing your teeth. 5. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can help improve the shade of your teeth. It is a great home remedy for those who are on a limited budget and want to whiten their teeth. You will need half a cup of 3 to 5% hydrogen peroxide. Half a cup of water. Mix half a cup of 3 to 5% hydrogen peroxide with half a cup of water. You can then brush your teeth without using any toothpaste. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. You may do this once daily. Please note high concentrations of hydrogen peroxide solution can damage your teeth. Hence, it is best to seek your doctor's consent before following this remedy. Have you tried any of these home remedies for teeth whitening? Please share in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.